Thank you. Thank you. Your Holiness, distinguished visitors to Washington, brothers and sisters, it is a great privilege for me to welcome Your Holiness to Washington, to this Archdiocese, and to reminisce with you on an earlier visit we had 25 years ago. I had the great privilege of being with His Holiness as he, together with leaders of religious traditions from all over the world, gathered in Assisi with Pope John Paul II in a historic day of prayer for world peace. Your Holiness, I remember with particular joy the fact that I had the opportunity in that context to meet you, but I also remember that it was a very cold day. And the warmth had to come from the hearts of everyone there, intent on invoking a sign and symbol of solidarity, of harmony, and of peace. And so it is a great privilege for me today to welcome Your Holiness here and to ask blessings on you in this Kalachakra for world peace, and to recognize the wonderful testimony that you bear to harmony, solidarity, and peace. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. You're very, very welcome. God bless you. Thank you. Sit down. Cardinal, with me. As a Buddhist monk, and who committed the rest of my life for promotion of religious harmony. So last few decades, with that spirit, I found many spiritual brothers, sisters in different traditions. And my contact, my relation, particularly like late John Paul VI, second, they're Polish. I think because his personal experience in Poland, and also my experience in Tibet, there are some similarities. So because of that background, since our first meeting, immediately we developed very close sort of friendship and spiritual sort of we found common spiritual goal. So the Assisi meeting, really wonderful. You briefly mentioned that day and some sort of meeting in hall, very good, no problem. But late evening, already dark, one sort of meeting in an open place, very cold. Fortunately, you see, the Buddhist monks sort of rope, I can do like that. But very cold. Then one poor spiritual leader from one African state, very thin clothes, cotton, and shivering. Then the people who sort of in charge there, they put some sort of heater under the chair, and then some blanket. Even then, he eventually fell down from the chair. That's a very unique experience I saw. So I never forget, you see, that. In any way, that meeting, I think, really signaled to millions of people with different religious tradition, different philosophy, but we all have common responsibility, same potential to help, to serve humanity, to bring peace through inner peace. So that sort of spirit, you come here, I very much appreciate. So our common responsibility, usually I describe past 20th century eventually become century of bloodshed. Now this century, 21st century, should be century of dialogue, because some different opinions, different views, different interests always there. Then all these differences try to solve through understanding, through talk, not through use force. Then we can really transform this century, can be century of peace. So we both have sort of special responsibility. Of course, the way of approach, your unique thing is believe God, totally submission to God, and follow God's sort of blessing or God's sort of message. That's infinite love. I am Buddhist, believe law of causality. If you do good things to other, you get benefit. If you do harm other, you get negative sort of consequences. So the goal is same. Be compassionate. If possible, serve other as much as you can. If not, at least restrain harming other. So all major traditions have sort of same sort of, same goal, same message, and same potential. So I express my deep because of the admiration. And then I just mentioned to him, in any way, on this planet, our Christian brothers sisters really made maximum or greatest contribution regarding education. There's no question. Everywhere. So we must appreciate their contribution. Really wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kalachakra souvenir tepji pitina.
So one time, Kala Chakra initiation in Switzerland, the Yishulama Harsadi, Gavisur Chiksavni, Aga Khan came. Now another Kala Chakra initiation in India, one high Hindu sort of teacher used to come. Now here in Washington, the College organization, Archbishop come. So, so I just want to give you as a souvenir. And usually, I telling people, those not necessarily also Buddhist, and I introduce Buddha as a thinker, philosopher. Oh, that's all. So
Thank you. Thank you so very much. God bless you. Thank you.